The flooding really has highlighted the critical role of outdoor warning sirens. That was a big topic that people wanted to know about, the outdoor warning sirens. And those sirens really potentially could save lives.
And it's now having other cities reevaluate their systems. The city of San Marcos relies on 14 outdoor sirens to alert people of potential danger. And the San Marcos River, very popular spot through the summertime. Joining us this morning is Daybreak's newest reporter, Michael Courier. We are so very happy to have Michael here. Welcome to the team, Michael, and good morning. What can you tell us about these sirens?
Good morning, Hannah and Yvonne. Now, the city of San Marcos installed the outdoor sirens in 2011 after multiple destructive floods, including one back in 1998 where 32 people died in the central Texas region. Now, over the years, the sirens eventually stopped working and they weren't fully restored and operational until this past January. Along with the repairs, the city upgraded the system's capabilities. The sirens have specialized signals for different emergencies like tornadoes, floods, and wildfires, so people know what type of threat is approaching. San Marcos' Director of Emergency Management, Rob Fitch, says that there are now plans to build more towers in the future as the city of San Marcos grows.
So it'd be an additional 17 towers would have to be put in to give us full coverage. So we're in talks with the financing and looking at plans. So we are working that forward, and we'll see if that goes forward or not.
Now, when life-threatening weather is approaching, minutes or even seconds can make a difference, meaning when the outdoor sirens are activated, it serves as a reminder for those in or along the river to seek shelter immediately. And we spoke to people who were along the San Marcos River, and in the next half hour, hear their thoughts on having sirens in place. Reporting in studio, Michael Courier, KVUE News.